1.25, season 11 of Vagary, July 11th, July 1st, 2018. It says I'm not online because I have my visibility set to.
Oh, I see. Are we gonna run a Ryan and an Arissa? Is that fine?
Yeah, I think that could work.
Alright.
Rapunzel's hitting his shots. My aim is usually on point. Shouldn't we set up top left where the Bastion is? I hate violence. Please join us up here.
Oh, shall I switch? We
It's too late. It's too late. It's too late, man. Oh, well, you're in spawn. Yeah, maybe if you can, like soldier or something. Whatever you think.
I'm coming. I'm gonna switch to Genji or Doomfist later.
Oh, I think Hans is better than those two, but whatever.
I'm a Doomfist 1-3. No.
Oh, the right side.
Break shield. I'm
spamming. Okay, it's broken. He's one, kill him. He's normal. He's real low. He's one.
He's on Bastion. Their Mercy's one.
Oh,
He's on Bastion. Three kills.
Mercy one.
Stagger the Rhine. Stagger. Okay, so top left.
Okay, I already have my ulti.
Nice.
Just let's bait them to go left side, and I'm gonna ulti there.
Good stop, guys. They're going main. Don't let them walk up. Break shield. It's already cracking. She's already half. They're going left. They're going top left. Set up. Back up. Set up for top left.
Fuck! I didn't go to Mercy. No. They're
Top
going
left.
upper. Guys. Get you one. Wine one.
Take form. Save out. Kills one Bastion. Save out. Hog by himself. Far right. Far right.
I'm fucking him, dude.
Hog by himself in the snacks. Remus. By himself.
I'm going upper. You got to go down.
Oh, he's trying to hook someone off. We can't walk up to him. He's just hooked. Hook CD. Hook on CD. Nice wrap up. Fall back to.
Okay, I have another dragon.
Okay, we have 4 ults. Break shield. Shield broken, Ryan broken. Save ult. Focus Genji down. Genji in the back. Use the sword engage in the back.
Thank you, Mercy.
Genji by himself.
But that's fine.
Genji 1. Genji dead. Good damage boosting. Good pull, Arisa. Let's set up top left again. We only have like 1 push left. They burned their sword. They have no sword. What else did they burn?
They didn't use
Mercy. They used the Mercy ult.
They used the Valk?
They
Okay.
used Shatter, so be aware of that.
They're probably gonna use Brigade, so.
Break shield when they approach. We're doing great on the shield battle. Keep winning the shield battle. Break shield. Ryan's already half.
So low. Oh, he's one. Treasure going. Hawk going up the stairs.
Oh shit, one's on point.
Me.
Take farming. Their treasure's down. 4 and 5. We don't have numbers. Might be winnable.
She got her ult that fast.
I use my ult.
point, but I need help here. I'm gonna die.
Hey, fall back, regroup. Let him have it.
Don't go in, just reset your recharging them.
Fall back, fall back, fall back. Gotta give up a lot of free space until we're a 6 unit. We can't trickle too hard here. We gotta be a 6 unit. Just keep falling back. That was a good hold. We had it for a long time.
Hawk going upper.
Keep winning the
going
shield fight.
going upper.
Break their shield as soon as they present it. Break their shield, break their shield. Genji mine, close. Break shield, break shield, break shield, break, take point, take point, take point. Our Bastion's down. Resing it. Burn ults, burn ults, burn ults, burn ults, burn ults.
Ah, got it.
They're still behind, they're still behind.
Save the Valk, maybe save the Valk.
Yeah, we lost it.
This tracer is just in my ass in the back.
Maybe let's not run double shields and like an off tank to help the DPS kill.
Just set up, I'll bubble you.
Break shield, touch, 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 touch. Touch, touch, both tanks down, touch, 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 we can win this.
Thank you.
Genji by himself, top left. They have a long ass run back, guys. We really could afford holding him back here. Genji top left by himself. Hanzo, come help our Bastion. Hey, Genji no deflect. Genji no deflect. You got him. Chase him down.
Nice.
Don't watch top.
Well, what ult? They're gonna have like 4 ults. They're gonna have Earth
I'm
Shatter.
gonna go top. I'm gonna go top.
Make sure you're having our shield up for the Earth Shatter. Keep in mind for our Bastion. Keep a sideliner. Stay in our Bastion sidelines. They're coming backside. Break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield.
He has fine, he has fine. He's looking for fine.
Genji down. Nice, nice, nice.
Inside, inside, inside.
Alright, Mercy, 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 Mercy then Genji, Mercy then Genji, Genji, Genji. Easy wrap up, good res. Easy wrap up. Nice. That wasn't bad, guys, that wasn't bad.
Go ahead, Andrew. Choose. Guys just want to dive point?
Yeah, we can do that.
I'm gonna lose instead of Zen, or just keep Zen?
I think Zen's good.
I'm keeping in mind they have a Zarya, so we can counter grab.
have a Bastion.
Brigade, Bastion. Let's go straight to point. Straight to point. Someone just go in there so you could dismantle.
No sir, right? They lost their...
Here's one.
They kind of went there one by one because their supports got held back by the Bastion.
Did they res anything?
I think they arrested Bastion.
They arrested DuoQ.
Got one. Take advantage.
I should just go in. Monkey jump too.
I have no healers with you.
It's fine.
They're short, they're short. We can win this fight. They're short. Bastion focus, Bastion focus. We can win this fight. Orisa, everyone Orisa, everyone Orisa.
Hog behind the cart, hog behind the cart.
Brig. Nice.
Good job.
I'll go with cart, go for it.
Got the Hanzo. Let's take advantage.
I need you guys to destroy a shield so I can charge my ulti.
Alright, triple tank. You wanna run a Reaper? I don't know.
Got several looking for a Tracer. Can we take
Sorry,
advantage?
I'll come in a bit. I'm gonna tell you when I have it. I have it. Whenever you're ready.
Just going to the reset. They're inside. Someone's flanking.
Mercy's weak. Ah, shit.
They're flanking.
Right on, just grab. Oh no, you didn't have one. I thought you had it.
Reset. We win with gold.
Holy.
Moira, can you just go Mercy so you can damage boost me? Because they're gonna have same ulti.
We have grab dragon combo ready.
You'll need damage boost me and we win the fight. The combo. Okay, just
On the top right.
try to get them, sorry, and we win. No, we need to win one fight and we have 3 minutes.
On the Discord.
I'm with you, sorry, whenever you're ready. Damage. Nice,
kills.
okay, we won. Then give me now!
There's a bridge on point.
Help, bridge.
Brig down. Well done. Good stops. Good aim.
Good job, guys. Good game.
Jeez.
Well done. Big games, man. I'm about to take a break. .25, season 11, July 1st, 2018. Nice. Doing nice on Tracer, having a good season so far. My percentages are looking smooth. Endorse some cats real quick. .25. Season 11, July 1st, 2018. Is there anything else I need to? Is there anything I need to say? I'm 6-1 with play Simpson on my auto account right now. Like, even on my main account. I don't know. Honestly, I don't think there is. There's probably everything. No real takeaway. It's just good computer making me shoot better because of my frames. That's pretty much it. And transmission.